I know I just repainted this, but now we need to get the paint off right here, right there, so fiberglass will stick. Yeah, just put it right on there. Don't
here?
Put it like right beside it, so it'll catch on.
Okay.
Get this.
What do I do that to help?
What do you do to help? What does she do right now? You dropped your sandpaper in the water, so you got nothing to do till it dries out. Wait, take that tape measure.
Okay.
Measure the end of the bridge. See how wide it is from one side to the other side where the bolts are.
Can
at the
you
end.
help me? Hold there. Hold that. No, I need it.
Okay, while you're waiting for your sandpaper to dry out, can you look at the bridge and then look at this and figure out what shape fiberglass stuff I have to put on here to attach to the bridge and how it attaches. Whatever you gotta do to figure that.
I saw that to help.
All right, what do you got here? It's supposed to look like the spaceship?
Yes. No, it's supposed to look like this. This is the bridge, and then there's these things that stick up.
Where's your other view?
That one I made.
Okay, come out and tell me if this is what it is. Hey, Aurora, how do these look? Did you look at them?
Yeah, they look great.
All right, get two paddles. We gotta paddle this mamma jamma out the canal, around and over to the little old beach. Oh, good, there are two paddles. Where was the blue one? In the ceiling? Oh, I know where it was. Yeah. All right. One person on the front and the back, or on sides. Where do you think we should go?
One person on each side.
All right, let's see what we can do. All right. We are floating. Tide is just high enough. Okay, I'm gonna go over here.
Ow.
Get on before it floats away. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Well, you wanna go at this end and I'll go at that end? You sit right here. This is easy to do. I'll sit at this end. Stinking rope. All right. Now somehow we need to get ourselves this way. Oh, I'm touching the fiberglass. It's sticking to me. Okay, this will work out all right. Except I'm stuck up there. Which way are we going?
No, you seem like you're turning it.
No, the palm tree's turning. Hey, Garcadian.
What?
You want to pause it? Boy, there's so much crap in here today. Oh, this is hot. Oh, it's laying in the sun and now it's roasting my arm. Whew. All right, Bamboo, watch out. Come on. Alright, looks good, but just be careful, follow me, it's not bolted in here. Yeah, it is hot. I just pulled it out of the sun. Alright, I think we can just take the bolt out, drill right through, put a bigger bolt in on both sides. Piece of cake. Good thing I got this. I gotta straighten this out a little bit first. What?
I want a piece of cake now.
Do you want to make cake? Should we make cake? We have... What kind of cake? Banana cake?
Yeah, we can make banana cake.
Alright. Could make coconut cake.
Yeah.
Well, now you want banana coconut cake?
Yeah, with chocolate.
Banana coconut cake with chocolate. We do have some chocolate stuff.
Melt down.
Alright, banana coconut chocolate cake. Yeah, fine?
We can melt
Fine.
down the chocolate so and make chocolate chips.
Okay. We can't just put a bolt right through the fiberglass. Because the problem is, it's gonna, as it's moving, it's gonna wear out the fiberglass, right? And eventually it's gonna wear through and pop right out. So we need something that what's this called? Bolt. The bolt can rub against, that is not gonna wear through. So I think actually I have some pipe. You know the skinny pipes? The up and down skinny pipes on the bridge.
Oh yes, I know.
We can drill a hole that can fit in, put one of those in, then put the bolt through that, so that it'll be steel on steel.
Yeah, we can do that.
All right, I think that's a good idea. Let's do it. Yeah, this stuff. And then I'm pretty sure the bolt size that's out there will fit on that. I think this is 1/2 inch, so where's my 1/2 inch drill bit? Oh, all my 1/2 inch drill bits are up at the robot. Okay, we got all the stuff.
Yep.
I got the drill.
Yep.
All right, start with this one. We gotta get this out first, though. Put a finger on the end of the bolt. Or your thumb. Alright. At some point I want to get like fiberglass grating probably put on here. But right now, we're just having one board. That's good enough. For the moment. Don't jump off the end of the board, obviously, it's not a touchdown. Okay. You're gonna guide this out. I'm gonna push it from the other end of the bridge. Can you get around that?
Yeah.
Do it!
Oh, I'm
What? You're the one who's supposed to guide it around that thing so we're not hitting it. Tell me to go forward.
Go forward.
You can hit some. How far do we have to go for it to be good? More? Alright, I'm in the water here. So I don't want to go any further than that. But we can... That's good? Can we come back at all? Yeah, it would be good to be further out. But... Oh, these mangroves stick out so far. I don't think I need those ones. No.
What do you think?
What do I think? I think I should zip tie this to the bridge. Zip ties? Yeah, zip ties won't have a problem with salt water.
It's good though, if we put zip ties on, it won't matter.
What won't matter?
The zip ties.
The salt water?
Ah. Can I walk on it right now?
Alright, go quick. Where are the zip ties? Alright, go to the other end and come back. Over here.
I can't win. I kind of ran. You have to wipe that door off.
I'm not worried about dirt right now.
Oh, crab. Get off there, crab. Jaimie,
What?
can you help me how to do this?
Oh, we need to get this. Let's get this one in. I know I can get this one in. Let's lift the step up a little bit. Oh,
Can you lift it up for me? In this part? I can go up.
it actually stays on already. But the zip ties. Just make sure it doesn't come off.
Can you open
This
it
one
for
has
me?
more. All right, can you get it?
That lock. Not step on that. Lock that. No, go behind. No, do not run.
Don't jump. You might get your feet spiked. All right. We can maybe make some other kind of little thing here for this last part. But if we're going swimming, I mean, you can get your feet wet. You just don't want to walk through all this muck here.
No, it's fine.
It's fine? Good.
It's fine.
So now we can get to the deep water.
But we get on
So one of the big complaints we have is that at my beach, which is like a nice little sandy beach, you have to go really far out to get to deep water.
Unless it's super deep.
And the problem is not all of us are the same level swimmers. So the better swimmers just want to go right out there. And then the not so good swimmers, which is mostly just the 5-year-old, kind of get stuck somewhere between staying at the beach and hanging on my back or using a floaty. And anyway, this solves it. Now we can get straight to the deep water. It's easy to get out. There's something to hold on to.
Your other one's really rotted.
Yeah, it's totally gone. So I want to get fiberglass floor grating to put on that floating dock. What do you think? The other option is wood, which is definitely cheaper, but I'll just have to replace it in a few years. Good work on your bridge project.
Yeah.
This was your project, eh?
Oh, it was your project too?
Yeah, but you're the one who wanted to do this.
I did.
Good job.
Thanks.
All right, let's go swimming.
Yeah, let's go swimming. Alexa doesn't want to go swimming.
She doesn't. Did she know there's a new thing?
No?
All right, go, Aurora. Go jump in.
How are we gonna get in?
I don't know. Just get on off the end.
I put the
So until we get the real floor, there's just that board there. Just go to the end of the board. And Carcanyon, do not stand on the end of the board because the board is not connected.
I know that.
You can jump in.
Will you help me get swimming, guys?
Yes, I will put the camera away and then we can go swim. It's deep there, right?
Pretty deep.
Nice.
I'm standing.
Okay, right behind you though, it drops off a lot.